students, unit 4. Okay, natural collection of units. Natural collections: air, water, trees, soil, animal body, birds, animal, self, human body, human being, earth, moon, sun, metals, and goals. N number of goals, n number of stars, moon. This all natural collections. Okay, all units be categorized into four orders: bio order to animal orders, animal order human order to physical orders. Okay, this bio orders, the plant trees is called bio orders, animal orders in the animals, birds, human orders, the human beings also there, physical orders, soil, metal, hills, etc. The relations of the mutually is cyclic is important. Basically order and bio order interdependent, mutually fulfillment, cyclic, every unit enrich. Okay, the physical orders here, bio orders the plant to physical orders, soil, metals is again to plant to order in the bio orders. Okay, relationship of the mutual fulfillment is the equal to relations fulfillment is called mutual fulfillment. Relationship of the mutual fulfillment between the physical orders, bio orders and animal orders. Okay, incorrect order interconnected, interdependent, mutually fulfillment, cyclic, every unit is increased. Bio order plants, trees, physical orders is social male. Okay, the animal orders is three orders in the links between in the physical order to social order bio order animal order, again the bio order, animal order, physical order. Bio order means plant, trees, animal orders, animals and birds, physical order, soil, metals. This connect to the one to one, this really to circulate in the orders. Okay, another physical is the four orders: physically order, bio order, animal order, enriching the human order, but human orders far off any orders. The human natural acceptance is the mutually fulfilling bio order plant, trees, animal order, animal, birds, human orders, human being, physical order, soil, metal. Okay, these four orders in cycling and circulate. Once human being understand the can be fulfillment of the four orders. Present the day problems on largely due to lack understanding research the declaration the research is the rate which the face the rate which the product the natures pollution the product the such that it does not return to cycle in nature, or it produced at rate that the faster than rate which they can return the cycle of the nature. Okay, the nature four orders then is actually physical order, bio order, animal order, human orders. Physical order, soil, metal, fundamentation of deformations. The physical is the deformations. Bio plant is respirations, animals, birds in the bodies like the testing in the human being in the bodies, the change human to animal, animal to bio, bio to physical, physical to bio, bio to animal, animal to humans. The four, this the physicals, the air, solid and metals, and four added activities in the formation of accidents. Okay, the accidents, the inactiveness, self-organization being the defined order. Okay, in the body to humans. Okay, the activity of in the body potential for understanding in the right feelings, hindrance the how connect is decided, maintained, generated after generation. Okay, this and promotional for the understanding in right feeling in right understanding human education snack here. Okay, this protecting and inactiveness, protecting and increasing in inheritance, making right understanding in the activities. Okay, human prosperity and a human mutually fulfillment. Okay, this order, human order, animal order, and bio orders. Bio orders means basically in relation the exchange. Okay, the self relaxations. Okay, see how how you answer this question depend upon your self regulations. Okay, control implementations. Okay, this implications, this, thank you, this self regulations is important, this diagram very important. Thank you.